Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to sign out from your LinkedIn app. Okay, so if you're using a LinkedIn app from your mobile, so you can sign out. If you want to sign out, you can sign out. There is a very short video. So I'm going to show in my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone or any other phone, you can follow the same step. So let's start with the video. Before you start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below, guys. If you really like this video, please subscribe me. It is free. Okay, so let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, this is my Android phone. I just I just need to open my LinkedIn application to show you. I'm just opening it. Okay, it is open now, and this is my profile already login. I'm show you how you can log out or sign out from here. So just click on this profile photo, and you will have all settings and all. Just click on settings. In setting, you will have lots of option like, yeah, like it is loading, like account preference, sign in, security, everything. So if you want to sign out or log out from LinkedIn app, just scroll down and here you can see this is sign out option. Just click on it and then you will be sign out automatically. So that is very easy and short video. I hope you like this video. Thank you.